In a data-driven world, the best marketing decisions are based on insights that account for the entire business. To help you make the most out of the data you collect and have a holistic view of your business in real time, we've introduced the Sitefinity Insight Connector for Power BI. This handy integration tool allows you to export key stats and metrics from Sitefinity Insight into a popular business intelligence tool that can serve multiple use cases. You can set up dashboards and monitor campaign performance by combining data from multiple conversions and touchpoints. Or enjoy a 360-degree strategic overview by combining insight metrics with data from other sources in your business ecosystem. Bottom line, if Power BI is part of your toolset, we've got you covered. Sitefinity Insight data can now be easily plugged in. Let's get right to it and set the connector up. To get the connector, head to our dedicated documentation article and hit the download link. Grab the Insight Custom Connector file and place it in the Power BI Custom Connectors folder. There we go. We can now launch the Power BI desktop application. In Power BI, you can find the Sitefinity Insight Connector under Online Sources. The connector will ask for an access key, which you can create in Sitefinity Insight under Administration, Access Keys. Create one, give it a name, and select the data center you're granting access to. Now, copy the generated key and paste it into the Power BI connector. Once you click Connect, you'll see a list of all the available Sitefinity Insight data. The connector pulls data for all data centers it can access via the key. You can explore a sample of the data and decide what portion of it you need for your dashboard. In this case, I'll select the conversions, along with their daily statistics, and the data center tables to load into Power BI, which will automatically detect the relations between tables. You can explore all the imported records in the data view and build your report by combining the metrics in various visual models. To help you get started, we have set up a template report that you can wire to your data. The template can also be downloaded from the already familiar documentation page. Just open in Power BI and provide an access key, and it'll pull all the relevant data to render the report. Here's how you can use the different sets of Sitefinity Insight data. The top left chart displays the daily visitors. By clicking on it, you can see that the data is sourced from the Visitors Daily table. It plots the active visitors with a timeline along the x-axis. You'll find similar daily tables for touchpoints, conversions, personas, and leads. Another set of data you can use is aggregation per period. The two card visuals display the improvement for both visitors and new contacts week over week. They're pulled from the unique active visitors improvement and new contacts improvement columns in the visitors per period table. The same kind of data is available in the other reports too. You can pull all the standard periods in Sitefinity Insight: 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, and 6 months. The heat map at the bottom displays a cross-section between different Insight reports. In this case, Uplift stands for the conversion rate increase for visitors who interacted with a given touchpoint. Similar data is also available in the Conversions by Persona and Touchpoint Hits by Persona tables. To learn more about the available tables and the corresponding Insight screens, go to the dedicated documentation article on the Sitefinity Insight Connector for Power BI. Visit progress.com/Sitefinity-CMS/Insight for more resources. Thank you for watching.